Okay, that's what we could say it again. Yeah. Right? So we say team sunrise. Come again. Team sunrise. Sunrise. Team. Dream team. One team. One team. Dream team.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Well. Guys, bless and love. Good morning. Blessed morning. So guys, you know it's that time of the day. You know, so today I will be checking out of this lovely suite. You know, and then later on in the evening I'll be checking on my flight back to Jamaica. You know, so guys, it was a pleasure, you know, today. You know, it was a pleasure being here. You know, meeting all my subscribers, meeting each and everyone. You know, I want to thank you guys so much for the love and support to the Sunrise team. I just want to thank them so much because the love was so unreal. You know, you guys can see the love that I received. Like, it was unbelievable. You know, it's such a great experience for me, you know, meeting these lovely people, because trust me, there's so much lovely people around the world, you know, and Sunrise team, you know, is definitely one of those, you know, because the love, hey, is unreal. That kind of psych up my momentum, you know, a day in life, you know, receiving this love. It just boosts your immune system for longevity, you know, because come on, what more love than that you don't really want in life, you know? Imagine receiving that every day. You'll be so healthy, you know, because your immune system will be so boosted up every day with joy, you know, and laughter and that full joy of energy, boy. But this side, so yes, I'm working on Pat. Pat is such a lovely lady. She's such a vibe as well, too. Pat used something else, you know, so it was out as well, too, you know, but I had a lot of fun, you know. It's very short and spicy. Trust me, that's the best way sometimes. Short and spicy, you know, until the trip that I really wanted to do, to spend more time, you know. But for now, you know, this trip was something else. You know, the fest was unbelievable. You know, the subscribers and that come out, big up on yourself. Big up to who couldn't make it, you know, and big up to all the well-wishers and them. Thank you so much, you know. And big up to each and every one that subscribe, you know, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. Well, I'm in Florida now, so Kino Life in Florida. But welcome, man. It's nothing but love over here. Once you're here, you know, it's nothing but love and love alone. So don't stop support, don't stop show the love, you know. That's all we stand for: love, positivity, live, love, laugh. Understand? So we're gonna head on to the rehab center, you know, to greet everyone. You know, I still got a bit of time because it's later on in the evening. You know, I got the flight, so I got time to move around and, you know, create content for you guys to see me heading out here of wonderful sunny Floridian, you know, Florida. So I know it's in the Caribbean. So we call it Floridian because it's like the Caribbean that we're still in the same way. But yeah, man. So waiting on Pat to arrive, you know, and then we can just go on the road, you know, get something to eat, you know, and then go and meet the team, and then we're out, you know. But trust me, this suite here, comfort suite, is really, really lovely. I really like it here, you know. It's comfortable, even though I never got a chance to go and swim in the pool, but I can recommend here, you know, if you want to stay, you know, it's ideal. Trust me, it's really, really comfortable. The rooms them are nice, as you can see, you know. So it's always sad when you have to go, when you have to leave somewhere that you're having fun so much, you know, and the fun have to come to a full stop for now. Look at this lizard. Oh Lord. look on the lizard here. It's a thumper tail. The lizard is short and tuku. Run, lizard, run. And what kind of lizard is? More look like an iguana. It's like an iguana. Guys, what type of lizard is this? Gee, there's another one here. Like them ready for war. What kind of lizard these? Them thick. This one tail is so long. Oh, there's so many as well. There's another one there as well. Like they live in this bush. The lizard are thick. You know, it's not like our lizard in Jamaica, but there's so much of them around here on the ground. So much sun. And oh guys, and another thing, you know, I'm here in Florida. I could have come here without even seeing Oliver and Carla. But guys, it's just because Oliver, we just want to send out the prayers and the blessings, towards Oliver, because, Oliver is not feeling well, he's not really feeling well. So we just want to send out the prayers, and the blessings, for Oliver to have a speedy recovery, guys, but he's not feeling well, once I'm in Oliver's town, I have to meet Oliver and Carla, I have to, but it's just to say, he's not well, so he's been going through health problem issues, so he's not well. So he was in the hospital, so we pray for him, please, with us send out the blessings, for our lovely Oliver and Carla, so definitely, on the next trip, you guys will definitely see him, whenever I get back here. But now he's not feeling well, man, trust me. He's not feeling well, because once I'm here in Florida, you would have seen Oliver and Carla definitely already, from the airport, so blessings uncle and blessings auntie, speedy recovery, speedy recovery, trust me, guys. Situation sometimes, it's just sticky the way it is, but we pray, Oliver, you're a real fighter, you're a soldier. I know you're a soldier in the battlefield. You see me, the conquering Lion of Judah. Oliver really soldier, but Oliver is a fighter, guys. You understand? This man is so strong. He fights. So right now he's fighting, and we are fighting with him also. So blessings to you, Uncle Oliver and Carla. Every time, we cannot stop thanking you again. For the love you show the dream team and me, everyone that around. Thank you so much. But we praying for Oliver up and running again, guys. So you will see him definitely, once he's good. But with your prayers reaching out, he will definitely feel assured, and definitely that we're here with him. We never leave him alone. We're here for the support, always supporting. Trust me, he's a true family, to our program. Like Prefect I say, yo, Oliver and Carla, the mother and the father, trust me, big up on yourself every time. Oliver and Carla, blessed love, man, blessed love. So guys, I'm just waiting on my drive to come, and then we're gonna, here it is as I speak. The drive just coming in, power just rolling. Hello, driver, don't stop at all. Yeah, it's right here. So let me go get my stuff. Oh, I'm gonna miss this place already. I'm gonna miss this place already. Choo choo. Go up one piece of pot. Now you're a driver, don't stop at all. Put on your seatbelt when you're around. How is work, Pat?
Video what I'm cool, I didn't want you to come in. On my phone.
Cheers.
What's going on in the comments?
Well, the Sunrise ladies, they make everyone want to apply for come get a job.
Well, that's good.
Ooh, so you guys got vacancy there?
We'll find vacancy once they're productive set, then that's fine. We'll find a position for them.
Okay. Yeah, you hear that, guys. Once you, hey, which one is
Really
the volume?
productive.
Yes, guys, once you're productive, you know, the Sunrise team is ready to welcome you. And you have to have that good spirit.
Family oriented, customer service.
Trust. I know you see the spirit that the Sunrise team have. If you cannot match that, boy, there's no need for you to sign up that application. But you have to match that spirit.
Motivated.
Hey, I'm telling you. That love that I got from the Sunrise team, I'm telling you, so unreal. So
I'm trying to get you there before the team meeting ends.
Oh, you got team meeting?
Yes.
For the team meeting heads. Yes. So guys, they got a team meeting.
We have a leadership meeting.
Okay. In the conference room?
Yes. Same one that we were doing our little thing.
Yeah. What's that, a school over there?
No, that's a library.
Oh, community center.
Yeah, community center. Oh, the library is there, sorry.
Sun as I rise and sun as I leave. Nurse Pat. Yes, guys, I'm at my center, you know, so this is where I get to recover, rehab. So, boy, this is where I'm going to shed all my tears before I go. You know, they got a lot of tourists. Hold it.
How you doing? Good.
All right, morning. It's not fire. No, it's not fire. You can finish. Hello? Huh? No. Yeah, I'm at the rehab center. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
It's a birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. How old are you today? 16? Going on 17?
I win. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, you doing? Good. And Alicia, I'll call you when we get back, so maybe we can just coordinate, and then we can just go from there. But I'm gonna try to go grab all this stuff so
Hello.
we can have lunch for everybody.
How you doing?
You leaving?
Yeah, but not so soon.
Near what?
Later.
Bye.
Yeah.
And then you go up to him.
Alright.
I'll wait for you right here.
Yeah.
You coming in business office?
Mm-hmm.
Business office or
No, mommy's office.
she's there?
Yeah, she's there.
Oh, okay.
I have to go. You know, one second we have to go to mommy's office. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. It's
Yes.
morning.
Yes. Yes.
Hey, it's a morning later.
Yes.
I'm not going. I'm still.
Yeah, we're so sad that you're going to leave us today. But we're going to have you meeting the directors from our leadership team. So we're going to take you around and let you meet them.
Okay.
And then you're going to hang out with us today.
Of course.
All right?
Of course.
It's all right.
of
I'm
course.
going to take you.
Of course.
Yes. Did you have breakfast?
What's fruits?
Fruits? Okay. Yeah.
Joanne.
So you had fruits. So we'll,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. All right. All right. Let me go and.
Joanne.
How are you?
I'm good, man. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
See you in the work today.
Yes, yes. I'm working today.
Not dancing today.
No.
Hi, Serena.
Hi.
We're getting ready for our Christmas party.
Oh,
So,
Christmas party.
yes,
Big party.
yes. Okay, so here we have Claudia, our director of
Hello.
nursing. You didn't get a chance to engage with her, so I'm gonna have you having a little chat with you, and then if you can take him to Sheila, because we're gonna take him around. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.
Hello, greetings first, Claudia. Come on, come around once again. You're on my thumbnail. Remember, you're on my thumbnail.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I saw you in the background, you know. So how is everything though?
Everything's good, thank you.
So you're the director.
I'm the director of nursing.
Okay then. So which role is that part play here?
I'm basically responsible for the day-to-day function of the nursing department. So I have lots of nurses, LPNs, RNs, and nursing assistants under my supervision.
Okay.
And of course, the other departments as well, because if anything's going on in the facility, I'm responsible to intervene.
Okay.
In the absence of the administrator, I am the one in charge as well.
Okay, so you make sure everything is run to according.
Right.
Right. So how long have you been working here?
I have actually been here for 5 months.
5 months.
5 months, but this is not my first rodeo. I've been a nurse for 30 years.
30 years. Okay, that's good. So your 5 months, it come like it's a 5 months you've been missing long time, right?
Oh yes, it
Just
feels
me.
like I've been here for 5 years
For 5
because
years.
the welcome that I have received from everyone,
Yeah.
and just settling very nicely and taking care of the residents also is very special to me. As a matter of fact, my father's a patient here. That's how much I love this building. We give
Okay.
great care.
Yes, for true. I've noticed that, and I know that a lot of my viewers they notice how well kept this place is, and everyone they love that you guys show. So they just can imagine what the patient then is receiving.
The patients absolutely love it. They participate in everything that we do, and we have a monthly newsletter. Actually, they're featured in there with any special
newspaper?
occasion. Like a newsletter
Okay.
for the facility. It's a monthly. It's run by the activities department actually, so they enjoy that also.
So this is the #1 rehab center in Sunrise, then, or bigger than that?
Yes, we are the largest in Broward County in Sunrise. This is Sunrise, the city of Sunrise, and the largest by far. Yes.
Okay. So how big is this county?
This county is pretty large. It does have a lot of nursing homes. I don't know exactly the exact number, but we
Okay.
are the largest in
The
Broward County.
largest and the #1.
Yes, and the #1, of course.
Of course,
Because of
of
our care and
course.
services.
Well, you know, many people want to send in them application from what they see on the video. They just want to be amongst you guys, you know. the spirit, the energy that they get in is like so much lovely nurses. And what I like about it is like, I think it's 95% here is female. That's what I think.
Probably, but we
Woman
have,
power.
We have it's woman power, but we have a diverse culture, of course,
Mm-hmm.
and we have male nurses, a lot of male nurses, not too many male CNAs.
Yeah.
But this profession, you have to have the passion for it, because
course.
it takes a lot of patience in nurturing. And some of the patients, actually, we are their family, because they
okay.
look forward to seeing us every day.
Yes. And most time they always said like, oh, whenever there's too much females around in one facility, it never run good because the competition, the competitive. But here is a total.
It's the opposite.
It's the opposite, guys. The opposite. Where I was so amazed. I was really, really so amazed, man. And I must say, it's a pleasure meeting you.
Likewise.
And I really love the work that all you guys are doing.
Thank you so much.
So I know you'll be here for like 50 more years to come.
Of course, I'm not going anywhere.
No, yeah, I don't blame
I love
you.
what I do.
Of course. Listen, even me in the future, you never know.
No, we never know.
I'll be the opposite. So who we're gonna meet today? You're going to meet today.
You're going to meet the rest of our team.
Okay.
We're going to meet the rehab director. Her name is Sheila.
Sheila.
Yes.
Sheila. So Sheila, I'm coming to you right now. So anywhere you are, we're gonna find you. So how was Saturday for you?
Saturday was excellent.
I saw you jumping.
We came together. We danced, we laughed, we partied, we ate, and we loved one another. And our patients also, they really enjoyed it.
Yes, for
so
sure.
it was a fantastic event that really showcased what we do here.
Yes. And it was really hello. How you doing?
I didn't know you were still here.
Yes, I'm not leaving. I changed my flight till next 2 months.
Oh, you're enjoying this next 2 months?
Yeah.
Really?
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, man, I'm not leaving. I'm gonna stay forever and ever.
No, you're not. They wouldn't mind you staying forever, though.
Don't it? Trust me. Rudy, what time you finish today?
What am I? Huh?
What time you finish working
At
today? At 3. So tell me something. Oh, you love working here?
I love it.
You love it? Thing. How long you been working here now?
February will be a year.
Okay. And you're gonna be here for many years to come, right?
Many years to come.
Many years to come. I like that. And it's Daniela.
Daniela.
So oh, you give me Rudy. Is that your nickname?
Yes.
Oh, so why they give you Rudy? Rudy.
I don't think I should tell you that.
All right then, Rudy.
I just but that was bad though.
I can
When I was
see.
younger, I was bad.
Get into a lot of fights.
Not fights, but I was just doing a lot of stuff.
Okay then, so that's all in the past. All in the past. Right then, we're going to keep in contact. I'm going to go around and speak to, the directors, the executives, meet the important people like yourself, right?
Right, that's right.
Rudy! That is Rudy.
One and only.
One and only.
Yeah.
Alright then, so I'll be back in a minute, right? Alright. We gonna party. Yeah.
We're headed to the rehab gym.
Hello. We have one Trisha. I can see her jump up. See, no, she have to be sitting down.
Yes.
On our table.
Yes.
No more jumping up. No.
No more. I gotta do the people them good work.
Good work. Big up Jamaica.
Big up Jamaica. Big up my cousin Taya. Always. Trisha, love you. See you soon.
Oh, I see it there. Alright, so go back on
Thank
the
you,
people.
Keto. Alright.
Because everyone's busy working today. Everyone was busy partying Saturday. And everyone busy working now. Alright, yeah. So everybody busy working now.
I'm supposed to take you to each unit manager.
Okay.
Okay, so I can...
Yes.
I was going to take him to Sheila, but they told me she's in the conference room right here. Okay, so I'll enter for you.
Alright, so you're gonna hand me over to
Yes.
Joanne.
To Joanne.
Alright then. So,
Of course, this is Trisha.
I'll just see Trisha.
Oh, you came into you already? Okay.
Meet Trisha.
All right. Okay.
So we'll move on. So guys, so Joanne is gonna take over.
waiting for Carlton?
Guys, if you don't know where you're going, you will get lost.
We're gonna go to the other wings. I'm gonna take you up here first.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go. Let's go into activity. This is our activity department. They're doing an activity right now.
Okay.
Right? This is Miss Lily,
Oh, hello.
our activity director.
What? Nothing. You know, I'm leaving you today. Yeah, leaving
I
today.
thought you were going tomorrow.
No.
Remember I asked you when you're leaving?
Today. So you know what this is?
Next year you carry D with you, yeah?
The Cardi next year?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, man. You're not gonna sleep, bro. And you can't sleep on the duty. Alright. Representing. I love the doubles in Trinidad, boy. Yeah, I was there in February. Hello. You alright? Good.
This is Tracy.
Hello, Tracy.
One of our social workers.
How are you?
I'm good. Yeah.
What am I going to say? People ask the questions now.
No, it's okay, man. It's okay. So let's get. Oh, yeah. Everyone make me look so tall.
I know.
Guys, I'm not tall, you know, but everyone just short around me, you know. So we have here. Oh, look at Tracy. Come, Tracy. We'll come out this tongue. Where we can walk. We'll walk here.
Oh, okay.
And then the one in there. Okay, I'm coming there. Tracy. You don't shy, Tracy.
No, well, yes, I am.
Yes, I am. I'm going to break that barrier for you today. So how are you doing though?
I'm okay, and how are you?
Tell me, what's it like working here?
Oh, it's amazing. This is an amazing place. It's we all get along. It's it's just a wonderful place to be.
So you recommend anyone?
I would recommend anyone to even work here or to just stay here for residents who have rehab. It's just a great place to be.
I love you guys' energy, you know.
Thank you
I love
so
the
much.
spirit. And them say there's so much beautiful ladies here. Is that a coincidence?
No, we're just it could be a coincidence.
It's all a beautiful soul, right?
Yes.
Everyone got that vibrant energy, which is good, you know, because you need that in a building where you know that you're taking care.
Definitely.
So you want that good vibration to be flowing.
Yes, and we all get along, thank God.
Okay. How long are you working here now?
I've been working here 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
And you have many more years to come, right?
Absolutely. I'm going to retire from Sunrise.
That is it. Where the sunrise, right?
Absolutely.
All right, Tracy.
Thank you so much. Take care.
All right, listen, I need to shrink or I need to grow.
I think I'm shrinking in my old age.
Oh, let me say one thing.
This is our unit manager.
Sure.
Come to
your end.
Hello, welcome to Sunrise. My name is Chloe and I'm the unit manager on D-Wing.
Okay.
How long have you been working here now, Chloe?
I've been working here for 8 months, approximately 8 months.
So much more years you have to go.
Many more.
Many more.
I'm going to be gray here. I'm not leaving.
Okay. I hope you don't become a patient later on.
Well, at least I know that I will be taken care of.
Well care of,
Definitely.
right? Well, you will definitely be at home because this is your home,
Yes,
right?
because this is my home.
So this way I will be my age. Yeah, when I'm mature.
Of course.
So we're not getting older, we're only mature,
Okay,
right?
okay.
Then say shoes and furniture and them things get old. We mature.
But we mature, correct. Correct.
All
Right, bye, Kino. Take care. Short and
then.
spicy.
Yes. They've been watching you.
We're going this way.
Yeah. Yeah, hello. Oh boy. You're right. Hello.
Son, I don't have a son. This is Kino. When we went to Jamaica to collaborate to help those people in Trenchtown, this is one of the persons why we end up in Trenchtown.
Yeah.
So if you subscribe on your phone, you're going to see us live and you're going to see the facility that what happened this Saturday on there.
Yeah.
So go on Kino Live.
Kino Live. Should have phone there. Kino Live.
Kino Live in Jamaica, and you're going to see us in Jamaica.
YouTube.
Yes.
So we have Keisha. Don't be shy, don't be shy. This is Sunrise. You see it pop up.
And you will see us in Jamaica. Yeah, this is it right here.
Yeah, look,
But if you go, go back, you're gonna see when we went to Jamaica and stuff. And
yeah, dream team. So you know what I go on though. Because no man, she's been watching, so you know what I go on. It's a dream team. Dream team, one team. She been watching. She know what I go on. You see, come up, you subscribe.
Yeah, I did. Thank you.
You click it. Don't just look and don't subscribe. You know.
I'll look afterward.
And yes. Let me show you.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Alright, let me show you. And when you subscribe, guys, you have to always hit the all. You know, you're gonna notification and hit all, so you don't miss anything.
Okay, so that
Is it coming up? YouTube. Let me show you. Let me get you all in it.
he's going back to Jamaica today. Oh.
Yes, too bad, right?
Yeah.
I almost rent a room inside here.
You will get it free.
Don't want to leave. Alright, so this is the channel here, so let me subscribe for you, so you won't miss anything. I'll show you the video with the nurse them come down there. Look, here they are. This is the Sunrise team. This is when they came. This is when they're down there.
But we're trying to see if we could get some more doctors and dentists to go with us, because this was our first time doing it. So there's a lot of people in need of eyeglasses, so we need to get people who can test their eyes and a lot of dentists. Yeah.
So hopefully you will be on the next trip.
Nurse practitioner went and the AD went, but we're trying to see if we get more people to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll see you on the next trip, right? You too?
I'm coming back to you for that.
Yeah. So we're gonna put your name down for the next trip. Alright. Alright, this place you were lost in this building, no?
Of course, it's a very huge building.
I'm telling you.
Its facility holds 325 patients. We have a Vita section. Right now we are going to the other rehab section.
The other section.
Yes, it's called Rapid Rehab. People who are here for short-term rehab.
Okay.
Yeah, they're not here for that long.
For that long.
Yes, so the facility, the section we just went in D Wing is where people are here for long term.
Okay.
So now I'm taking you to another section where
the short term.
Short term.
Okay.
Okay.
So after they will go back home.
And then we're going back to the other wing, so you can meet the other stations that we have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. I remind you lost, you know.
No, you're not gonna get lost. A long-term section. We have two other long-term sections.
Yeah.
That's where we're going.
So this short term, yeah, what they do? They go back home after?
They go back home after, unless they really kind of do the therapy. They can stay here for a little while. You know, we have a long-term section.
Okay.
But that's provided we have bed available, because it's always a long list for people who wants to stay here long term.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, when they go back home, they get home care.
They get home care.
Okay,
yes.
okay.
They get home care. They get like a doctor or a therapist come to their house to assess them and see how much therapy they need.
Yes, I get it. Well, it's so lovely. I just love this facility, you know.
Yes.
So well taken care of, so well organized, you know. Everyone is well unified and together. It's great here, Sunrise. There's so many people to meet.
Okay, we're going back down to the other long-term section, and then I'm going to take you to the other section where we have people who are here for short-term therapy also.
Oh yeah, because I've never been to that section.
Yes, that's why I'm going to take you.
Boy, you know how long me I walk, guys. I walk till it come like I'm doing this exercise.
Yes.
Sorry, used to the neck. Hello. Okay.
So we go into the section where they do people who are here for therapy.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go into the section where there is long-term.
Long-term.
Yeah. Hi, this is Danielle.
Hello.
Say something.
Come.
I already said something.
Yeah, you said more. Oh, secret place of the Most High. So this is Daniel. Daniel, tell me something. How long have you been working here?
2 months.
2 months?
Yeah, me a rookie.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you're going to stay here for a long time.
For a long time. 2 years turning to 20 years.
So what is your position here?
I'm the
Yeah, what?
admissions coordinator.
Okay, you make sure that everything is in order.
Yes. Signed, sealed, and delivered.
So you love it here?
I love it. Everyone's friendly, nice. The owners take care of everyone. It's a great place to be.
You know, a lot of people.
Biggest, the baddest, and the best in all of South Florida. Me tell you that.
And within 2 months, you know that, right?
Yeah, because I've been in healthcare for over 10 years. So I've been trying to maneuver over here, and I finally got through. So
Finally.
yeah,
So you've been through so many already, but you come to find out that this one
this is the one.
is the number one.
This is the one. So I'm telling everybody who wants to know, Sunrise Health and Rehab is the place to be.
So this is where you'll be retiring, right?
Yeah,
For
with
sure.
pension.
This is your retired job.
Yeah,
Hey.
ready already.
Of course.
Just
She will be here.
Yeah.
Let's give me 1 second. Secret place of the Most High.
Yes.
Jah Rastafari. Ever living, ever faithful. How you doing? So you bring some things for me to take back.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna scrap the book.
Okay.
This is just yours. Yeah, this is our brand.
It's for me?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's our brand.
thank you so
Yeah,
much.
this is our brand.
Our brand.
Our brand.
Oh, your brand. Oh, what's the name of your brand?
7FM.
7 Event.
Yeah, we're
Seven.
online right now. We're manufacturing right now.
Okay, so that means I will be going Evan in this. Wow. So guys, so if you
I have more, but this is short notice.
oh guys, I'm representing for 7 FM. So they don't have a website as yet. No Instagram.
We have a website, but we just manufacturing right now.
Okay. So here you go, 7 FM guys. You're gonna see me rocking this. So when you see me with 7 FM, just know it's from our extended family. The secret place of the Most High. I would say, Jah Rastafari. So relax there. Thank you so much, and thank you so much. So you're gonna be running now? Okay then.
Yeah, because
So
I
we
know
catch
you're
up.
on your final leg, so yeah, when you come back.
Soon and very soon.
When?
I don't know, but soon. You're gonna know. Okay. You know, this was the trip for support the culture first and the nurses. So the next one for sure have more time.
Okay.
And we can make 2 flips. Right? Say hi to the family for me, okay? Hello. How you doing? Sheila.
Hi.
Sheila.
Oh my
Sheila. Hey, everyone around me make me feel so tall. Guys, is it? I'm not tall. It's just everyone is short around me.
Stop it.
Everyone, keep this for me, darling, please.
It's gonna be a fee.
Alright, no problem. No problem. So, hello, Sheila.
Hi,
Tell me
Kino.
something about Sunrise that I don't know and the viewers them don't know. Oh gosh.
Sunrise, this is really the best place. I've been here for almost 18 years.
18 years.
Yes, I am Sheila. I'm the director of rehab services. My team also grew exponentially over the past couple of years with our new owners coming in.
Wow.
Sunrise went through so much, but this year so far with our cultural
Fest.
event and fest, we were able to experience this is yet the best.
The best.
We were blessed to have like really great community around us, and most of all from our ownership, the leadership, administration team, and everybody, like from the management, our line staff. It's just like one big family.
One
That's
big family.
what's really, really unique.
So I guess, right, Sheila, you've been here for 18 years. You see a lot of changes, right?
Of course,
Like,
yeah.
right, yeah, sure, it's not fair on me. Right, I have to be speaking down. So you've been here for 18 years, you see a lot of changes, right? And you're in new management, new era.
Yes, yeah, with the new ownership, yes.
So is it the best one so far?
Of course, 100%.
Okay, so the new ownership is like a game changer for everything. My phone dropped, sorry. So the new ownership, guys, like the game changer where everything. So that's why the love is flowing so much now.
So much, and we're feeling so much love. It's really, like very unique We're unified. We're just one team here, and this is the dream team. That
Hey, you see the thing? You should know the thing. Got
Let's
one
see what
team,
you got.
dream team.
Yes. Oh, you got
But that's what the collaboration comes from. The Sunrise Dream Team.
Yeah.
So we're the dream team. So we're one team.
one team. And you know, thanks for all you do as well. I was checking out your YouTube link and stuff. So
Big up,
thanks
big
for all
up.
you do.
So I guess you're gonna be here for another 18 years.
Yes, God willing.
God willing. So that is Sheila. Hello. And we have here.
And Alicia.
It's your birthday. Go shorty. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. We're gonna wish you happy birthday. So, cause she said it earlier. So where's the cake? Where's the party at?
In my office.
So we're gonna kick off the party.
Yes.
All right. You have the sound system set up already.
Well, that we have to do something about.
Okay.
Maybe Miss Joanne will do that for us.
Of course.
The music.
With the music. So, how is it? Tell me something about Sunrise.
Sunrise is the best place to work.
Best
I've
place.
been here 2 years. And to be honest, phenomenal.
Phenomenal, right?
Great experience. The staff here is very nice, and the owners A1.
A1. Yeah, that's true. 'Cause right now you got new owners, right?
Right.
And them said that is the game changer for Sunrise with the new owner. Cause you guys been renovating now for the last 2 years, and it's beautiful,
Place
right?
is beautiful.
Just, boy, trust me, a lot of people want to work here right now. After this exposure, them seeing that the love, the energy that's here, makes everyone want to come here. And we got so many, how many different race here, nation? How many different?
37?
37. So that means that we are all one.
Right.
You know?
And I'm Jamaican as well.
Is it? We're in Jamaica.
Westmoreland.
Westmoreland, sure, big up. Why am I thinking she coming from India? Is it because of the ear?
Probably.
Probably.
And I dress in the Indian attire for the cultural day.
So you have to have the Indian in your blood. So big up my Westmoreland friend, you know?
Yeah.
White House. Alright, then so take care, yeah?
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Thank you
Many,
so
many
much.
more years to come.
Thank you.
Right? So alright then, so moving on with Joanne.
Now, so we are going to the therapy.
Hey.
The people who are here for short-term therapy, this is where we move into right now.
Okay. So we're moving on. Guys, I'm still walking, just imagine.
Susie, I need you.
Susie!
Susie is the unit manager for F-Wing. F-Wing is the people who are here for short-term therapy. And this is Susie, our unit manager for F-Wing.
Hello. Hello. Oh, so we have another Susie. We have two Susie.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Thank you. So Susie, so tell me something about Sunrise.
Is that okay with you?
Oh, I've been at Sunrise is like a family. You know, I've been working here for the past 22 years. What I like about Sunrise the most is the caring part and the togetherness part.
22 years.
Yes, 22 years.
I noticed there is no short-term workers here, like, everyone want to be here forever.
That's the thing.
So this is
That's
like
what we do the best, you know. We keep you.
This is like your dream job, right?
It's my dream job. You can see it.
You say that.
You
So I
can
guess
say it.
here is where you're going to definitely be retiring.
Yes, I think so.
I think so. I'm telling you, well,
Yes,
trust
yes,
me, I
yes.
love the energy here, the connection with all the females, the love that you guys share amongst each other. It makes everyone want to come and apply for a job.
Of course, yes. It's the love that we share. The love, the spirit, the unity, everything.
So what you doing? Unit manager, right?
Yes, I'm the unit manager for F-Wing, the rehab unit.
So you make sure everything run in order.
Yes, everything runs in order. I go by the book. I make sure everything runs in order. I make them happy, and customer service and hospitality, that's our core on F-Wing.
Because I know we have different nations working here. Which country you're from?
I'm from Haiti.
Haiti! So we have Asian in the house, big up Haiti. I know it's not going on too well there in Haiti, but by God's will, everything will be okay.
Yes, everything will be okay. We just keep it, we keep faith every day.
I guess we'll see you in Jamaica soon, right?
Of course, next time I told Miss Sherman, next visit I'll travel.
So guys, we're going to
I have a lot of Jamaican friends.
So you have to come. Guys, we're gonna need a hotel in Trenchtown for when the sunrise team is coming down. So if you have your room ready to give it up, right, we're gonna board in. Take care, yeah, Susie?
Okay, take care. Nice meeting you,
nice
Kino.
meeting.
Yeah, keep up the good work you're doing.
Yes, I will, definitely for sure. So where is the next Susie?
The next Susie is Consia. Have you all seen the other Susie, Consia?
No, I haven't.
Her card is here. Where's Susie?
Hello. Hello, Susie. I'm good. Yes. Tell me something about sunrise.
Oh, really? Sunrise is such a warm and comforting place. I mean, you have such lovely people, the nurses, the CNA. Oh my God.
So long you been working at Sunrise?
January will be 1 year since I'm here.
Oh, so you're gonna be here for many more years to come? Huh?
Definitely.
See, nobody no one left. Me know why.
Why?
Nobody has say you so many beautiful ladies here at Sunrise.
Yeah, man. Trust me, it's a good team.
Trust.
One Sunrise.
I love the vibes the other day at the fest.
Oh yeah. We're trying to recover from that. We're still in the cultural fest mood.
I'm the book up in now.
Hey.
Alright. And we have Susie.
How are you? Thanks for coming back.
Hey, everyone makes me feel so tall, but guess what, guys? Everyone is just short around me. So when everyone's short, you know the thing goes already not kind of. Yes, you know. Susie, tell me something about Sunrise.
Well, Sunrise is a family company.
Yes.
There's no INT. Yes. And I've been here a little over a year.
Okay.
I work at the hospital for 8 years. And I was stolen. And I am the patient experience director.
Okay.
So, you know, I make sure my residents are comfortable.
Yes.
Whatever they need, it's done.
So we got some powerful nurses in here.
We have nurses.
The position seems powerful on each wings, you know, someone keep everything according how it's supposed to run.
Yes, it is.
So you got many more years to come here, right?
Yes.
So we have to say to the world about Sunrise, man.
Listen, come on over and join us. You'll have fun. As you put it out there, they can see.
Well, you don't have space for so much.
Listen, you see how big this facility is? Yes, we have space for
We noticed there's a lot of different nations in work here, you know.
a lot.
Where's yours from?
I'm Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Originally from Manchester.
Wow. Girlchester. Well, you are a lady, so you can't say Manchester.
A little bit of both Manchester and Montego Bay.
Okay.
So
Which one? You have to choose one. You know? No,
When I live, I rather Mandeville.
Mandeville. Because you know Mandeville cool. You know? Cool like ice. Boy, Mandeville foreign boy. Foreign. So, thank you so much,
Thank you so
Susie.
much. Appreciate it. Next time, soon.
Alright.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
Elsie don't want to be video, but
Elsie. Rasta Jackson, Elsie. Waistline.
That's Susie, that's the other Susie.
Yes.
I need to give you some money for my little girl. I was going to text you.
Okay.
Oh,
So, I
Skylar.
never see you on Saturday.
Because I had to take care of my mom.
To jump ship.
Fam-
You can jump boat next time.
Okay.
No more ship. You have a jump.
Family come first. I have to take care of her.
I understand.
Yeah, or else you start talking.
Why Jackson must say watching and say
Say hi to what's his name?
Rasta Jackson.
Rasta Jackson. Hello. Are we gonna dance again next year?
Guys,
We're gonna be
if
dancing.
you was watching that video, she was literally sitting down, yawning.
she was.
But when Jackson waistline starts, boy, it's like she got the electric boogie.
I got the spirit.
Just right into her, but it's nice, man. So tell me something about Sunrise, what everyone wants to know.
Oh my God! Everybody's lovely here. Everybody's lovely and at home. And those who are not lovely, we make them lovely.
Okay.
Right? We make them lovely.
So if you come here,
it's like a family here.
Yeah, you're gonna make you lovely.
We're gonna make you lovely.
But there's so much people want to work here right now, you know.
Oh really?
In the comment section, everyone's talking about Sunrise.
Oh really? Wow! Interesting. Nice. Very nice.
Then so there's so much beautiful ladies here as well. I was wondering if it's a coincidence.
We have beauty, we have brains. We have beauty and brains. And heart.
Yes.
To take
And
care
I
of the
always
patients.
say, wherever there's so many ladies, it never really too runs smooth. But this one,
Sometimes. But you know, we get along.
make it work.
We make it work.
We make it.
We get it work. Yes, yes.
Elsie.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you again.
Bye.
Right? So
Peace.
you will see her again. Of course. So you'll be on the trip, right?
Yes, I'm definitely
All
coming
right.
next day.
Okay.
then we're gonna
Going to the Alzheimer's
Yeah,
unit.
this is the section where the residents are here for long term, and here they have Alzheimer's. So
Oh,
I'm gonna take you to the Alzheimer's unit manager.
yeah. So this is where they call it a day.
Yeah.
Wow. So many staff here, but
Yes. Let's go this way. Got it?
there are so many
Because you
staff.
have to be careful
Everyone.
with this door so that nobody comes out.
Yeah.
Alright?
Everyone.
Come on in. Lock away.
Lock away. Lock away.
Oh, really?
Please don't chase me. So Tracy, tell me something about Sunrise. Putting you on the spot?
Yes, she did.
It's good sometimes to test the spot, you know.
It's good. I've been here since 05.
05, 20 years. 20 years.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, so like 20 years, right? Wow.
I have good co-workers.
So you see a lot of changes here. Trust me, right? New manager changeover, you see a lot, right?
Yes.
Yes, you like it
She
here.
in the restroom.
Empress. Empress. All right, then take care, Tracy.
Anytime.
G-Wing,
Yes.
manager,
Yes, sir.
Kathleen. Come, I don't want you to get shy now, so I'm going to keep her close, guys. So, you know, you have to comfort the ladies them so them don't get camera shy, right?
Yeah, man.
So, yeah. Where me, man? Where you from? Where you from?
From Jamaica.
Jamaican, you know. Listen, there's some new talk me here. Sunrise is something else, you know. So you represent Jamaica, right?
No, Haiti.
Haiti.
Yes.
Oh, that's Jamaican.
Jamaican.
Okay, they hear that. She's Jamaican, you know, half Jamaican, half Haiti, right?
Haitian, yes.
So you know the thing about Jamaican. So well, say hello Jamaican, Kathleen. You know, so tell me something about Sunrise.
Hey, Sunrise. You know, I've been in this place at Sunrise for the past 10 years now.
10.
Okay,
And counting, right?
I'm telling you this, man. You know, if you are in the market to look for a place for your loved one, Sunrise is the place to be. Hey, you know.
You hear that?
So this is it.
So 10 rides, so you see a bit of changes, not too much, but you see the new owner, right?
Sure.
So the new owner is a big game changer, that's what I heard.
He is, yes, he is.
Okay, so I like the energy with all you females here, man. What's up with that?
Hey, listen, we take an oath, we deliver. This is what we do best.
Wanna drink energy booster?
Energy booster? Let's see.
Wanna drink energy booster to have that energy here?
Well, some little coffee will do. Not a lot.
A little coffee will do,
Yeah.
you know. So you are the manager for over years.
Yes, for this unit,
everything running according, right?
Of course.
And this wing is what wing? The long.
This is G-wing.
The long term.
It's, you know, we have some long timers and, you know, some we have as well. Yes.
Okay, but since you're Asian, right? Have you been to Jamaica yet?
Well,
Well,
I haven't. I missed it by one notch.
One notch.
The last time.
The last time. So you're gonna be on the next trip.
Of course, you gotta be better count me on, man.
Trust me, I tell you, you know, all of you is gonna on the video say, of course. So guys, when you don't see them face, I'm coming for them for sure, you know. You know, so you make sure be there.
Exactly.
Right?
I'll be there.
Big up, man. Big up yourself, man.
Big up, man.
Big up to the
Jamaican.
Big up to the Asian in the place, you know. So she half Jamaican. She run this swing. Big up.
All right.
Alright then. Joanne. Wow. Hello. How you
So
doing?
we're going back now closer to the business office. So you can say to the people in the business office.
Oh, okay. So we're going to the top
Yes.
secret
Yes.
part now.
Yes. When
You know?
they sell out the building, we
Yeah.
have 2 social service people working there, the person who does the payroll. That's where we're going.
Okay, so we're going to the top secret room now, guys. The big CSI room.
That's where we're going now.
Cheers. Such a big. Anyone know I still cannot find my way around?
Of course, when I first started here, I got lost. I'm here 3 years now, and I still.
Well, how is she running to?
She don't want to be on a video.
She running and she run. Hello.
What is it? What is it called?
Cut. She running and she running and she running away. She running and she running, but she couldn't get away. Hello, well.
Hi, what's up?
Well, she's a big dancer, yeah. So we buck up in a the big dancer.
He's lying, okay?
At the big dancer this man. So how you doing?
I'm good.
Okay. Why? See them when them so shy, I have to comfort them so them I feel, you know, to run away and drift away. So
I got caught. I was
she
running.
get caught. She was running, but I have to run her down. She's not so tall. But I'm telling you, say, right now, everyone makes me feel so tall because everyone is short here at Sunrise. Trust me. Everyone.
Disrespect.
That's why everything is short and spicy here, right? That's why my trip is so short and spicy. But don't worry,
You're
man.
actually leading.
I'm leaning, guys. Look, I'm drifting down. You know, I have to drift down a bit to try to stay on the sea of level. You know. So tell me something about Sunrise.
Sarah, come over here with me.
All right,
Let's go.
come, Sarah.
This is my partner in crime.
I see she need help, Sarah. Come.
Yeah, come.
Come, Sarah.
And everything.
Oh, Sarah,
I'm short too, so
All right.
break it to you.
Come over the side.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm saying.
I hate to break it to you.
All right, then. So they all on the same height. Wow.
Yeah, sure. This is my partner in crime. Hello.
Do I need to shrink? I need to grow. Alright, yes. Them tippers still no reach.
Yes, still little.
So we have Sarah here. Sarah, how long have you been working here?
I've been working here about 2.5 years now.
2.5 years. And you?
5.
5. So that's 7.5 years amongst you both, right?
Yes.
And what's the energy like working here?
Always good. Always positive, supportive. We all work hard. All one. Yep, all one group.
Work as a team, yep.
Tamara and I work in admissions, so we help the patients get in from the hospitals to come into the rehab. So we help pre-screening, make sure that the patients are able to be taken care of, that they have an insurance. Yep.
Okay, so you've done your part. You know, you've done your job. So you're looking to work here for many more years to come, right?
Yep, as long as they'll keep us. Yes.
Listen,
Sarah, you're so bad.
They will keep you from the energies right because they're trying to keep
yes.
that balance of the good energy because once you're in somewhere of care of other people's life, they want to feel that love, they know that connection, energy.
Positive vibes.
Yes, if you're not pushing that out, you're not welcome here.
That is true.
You're gonna get a kick through the door.
Yep. Bye-bye.
And I like the units. Just keep it up, same your ladies, you know.
Thank you.
Big up your country.
Thanks. I'm from Jamaica.
Are you?
She's Jamaican. Adopted Jamaican.
So I guess we need to see these two on the next trip.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Everyone said yes. That means if I don't see them.
Never been there?
Where? Jamaica?
Trenchtown.
Well, it's the first for everything.
I'm a country girl. Tamara keeps promising she'll take me to Jamaica, so hopefully we'll get there. St. Mary.
St. Mary. Oh, them should have known St. Mary where they come from. You got yourself, fireman. You know, so guys, be looking forward to see all of these ladies here. I don't know if you can manage so much ladies in Trenchtown, but boy, they'll be coming. Trust me. Rooms is there. No worry, man. Right?
No problem.
Cool.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
See you, Karen. I'm saying, yes. No,
he ain't gonna forget me back.
The energy. Wow. Patty's in her office.
She is?
Yeah.
Her door might be open, but that doesn't say. Oh, she's on the phone.
Oh, she's on the phone.
Yes.
Trinidad doubles. I said, I just fall in love with doubles in Trinidad. Yeah. That's what takes me over when I go there.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, when I stand up at that spot for doubles, I don't move.
Right? And the line just be so long.
Yeah. And
Well, what I do is before I land, I tell my family to bring doubles for me
At the airport. Okay.
so that I don't have to stand in the line.
Yeah. You see, I have doubles after doubles after doubles.
Yeah. So I
was
just eat like all 4 one time.
Yeah, even in Jamaica, you have a place called Trinidad.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the doubles is alright, you know.
Okay.
But
can't
trust me,
touch Trinidad.
can't touch Trinidad doubles. You know, the Shada Benny,
Yes.
Shana Benny. Hold them to Janet Jackson. Hold them to Janet Jackson.
This is Jacquel, our
Hello. Hello, Jacquel.
She's the one that's
Jacquel, come. Oh, God. You feel like my heart does plunge out.
Yes,
But no worry, I'm next to the nurses, so I'll be okay.
Yes, definitely,
You know?
definitely.
How comes I'm just seeing you?
Because I was away for the weekend, so I didn't get to participate in the festivities,
should
but
miss
I
it.
saw everything.
Oh,
I did.
so you've been
I'm
watching,
jealous.
you're jealous.
Yeah.
You should be jealous.
And I saw your YouTube post for you went to Swap Shop.
I'm telling you, where I've been to a couple places, still, you know.
Good,
So, you know, there's more to come.
Definitely.
Even though my trip was so short and spicy,
Well,
but
you
it's
know
still
that you
good.
are always welcome to come back. Yes, we
Of
love
course,
you
I'm
here.
coming back, man.
Definitely. Make
So,
sure.
what's your role that you play here?
So I'm the Human Resources Director. So
Mhm.
I basically am one of the first faces that any new employee sees.
Okay.
So I do their onboarding. I
Mhm.
make sure that their documentation is up to date, that we're in state compliance.
Mhm.
I'm also the corporate compliance officer, so I make sure that we follow the rules and the regulations,
Mhm.
and that everyone is respected and loved and appreciated.
Okay.
So that's basically it.
So you're the one that makes sure you choose the personality, right?
Yes, yes, and
Okay.
I'm kind of a part of the money person also
Yeah,
when it comes
yeah.
to paying out the staff and everything. But we work as a team here. So
Yeah, that's what I like. They
Yeah.
call the Sunrise team.
Yeah.
We're working with the dream team.
Yes, the
so-
dream
so the
team,
whole of
definitely.
we are one team. You know?
Exactly.
So many years
exactly.
have you been here?
I am one of the newer managers
The
here.
new one?
So I came in September.
Yes.
September. So
Mhm.
I'm pretty new.
So you're here just yesterday?
Yes.
Oh, God.
Yes, but yes.
But it's old, you know, it's very old because like yesterday.
Yes,
You
yes.
know, but it's new because she brings new personality.
Exactly,
You know? So she's
exactly.
gonna be here for a long while, right?
I sure am.
Sure,
I
right?
sure am. Yeah, because actually this team really does feel like
Mhm.
the best family so far, work
Right.
related. So yes,
Everyone
I'm
says
planning on sticking here.
Mm-hmm.
You want to come see? Come on over.
Come on over. So you know, once you come, you're gonna get interviewed by her.
Yes.
You know, you're gonna get checks, everything. And she see him on a PA to, you know.
Exactly.
Say, "What do you have? Good, you know, good money there and so on."
I'm
You know?
very fair.
Yes, fair. Alright, so this time we clock in and clock out, that's what you're gonna get.
Yes,
So
exactly.
know what you're saying. But you can raise your pay too. Right? Alright, then so take care. Nice
Alrighty,
meeting
nice
you.
meeting you also.
So hopefully I will see you in Jamaica.
Yes, next time. I
So
didn't get
everybody say yes, and I know not even one person has said no, you know. Joan, how many person we interview already?
Interview at least 12 people,
And
the
everybody
12
wants to
people
go.
said yes.
Alright,
Yes.
so boy, me I
So
tell-
we're gonna have a big group this year. So I think we might need a bigger hotel.
Exactly,
Of
because you know
course.
Jamaica's home for me. So,
Yeah?
Yes.
You from Jamaica?
Clarendonian.
Clarendon, Maypen, oh, not Maypen.
Not at all.
Okay. So we're definitely bringing her to Trenchtown as well. To
Yes.
She'll be a part of the
I would
staff.
love it. Love
No?
it. Love it.
Alright then.
Alrighty.
You're strong.
I am.
How you eat?
Dumpling.
Dumpling.
banana.
I'm-
Everything.
I
All
cho-
of the good stuff.
I show a Clarendon, you know? The good stuff. Alright then, take care.
Alright, bye.
Yeah. And we are. Hello.
Office, but right now Vivian is a little busy, so we're gonna move on.
I am good. Everyone's busy.
Okay,
You
I'm
know.
gonna take you to social services. This is Jenna, our social service director.
Oh, we met her first. Hello. I'm Jenna.
How are you doing?
We have someone on our team called Jenna. Remember?
Oh, really?
Yeah, Jenna. We call her Jenna.
I heard it means, what's it, heaven or something like that? I forget.
Yeah. So you're busy working today, right?
Yes,
Okay.
working.
Okay. So what's your role that you play here at Sunrise?
I'm the director of social services.
Okay. So how long have you been working here?
2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
So tell me something about Sunrise that we all want to know.
something about Sunrise.
The good part.
The good parts. Well, we're hardworking here, of course.
I've seen
Always
that.
busy.
I'm seeing it.
We're family here, which is great. Never worked for a team like this before.
Never?
Never.
All your life. This is
All
the.
my life.
So
yeah,
I guess
it's
this is
a
where you're gonna
great
retire.
team. So I'm gonna retire.
Wow.
Maybe. Yeah.
Okay, so from this is the best. It's like your dream come true, right? You're
Yeah, we work
comfortable.
hard together. We work as a team, you know, and then we play hard, as you see too.
Yeah,
So,
of course. But we have never see a dance at the fest. Was you here?
What?
So you see all the
Oh, I'm not see her.
Yes, you've seen me.
You were too busy.
I had the Haitian American shirt on.
That's why, I'm thinking I represent for Jamaica. Why not represent for Jamaica?
My son is half Haitian, so you
So you should
gotta
have been
represent.
Jahatian.
Haitian. Yeah, I
Yes.
should have. I represent everybody.
Exactly. Half Jamaica and half
You could have brought me a
Asian.
shirt.
Well, next time.
Next time.
We have to make one for you.
There you go.
Make
All three.
Yes,
All
all
three.
mixed together.
Yeah.
Right? It was
Yeah.
nice meeting you.
Nice to see you,
Thank
yeah.
you so much.
Okay, this is another social worker. Her name
Hello.
is Sabrina.
Come Sabrina, come
Courtney, you don't say
Sabrina.
anything back.
Sabrina. So we have Sabrina, so I like your hair. Wow, it's called 4 locks?
No, it's twist, jumbo twist.
Jumbo, wow. Love it. Is this your real hair?
Most of it
Most of
is.
it. Wow. Jumbo, that's suited. Like Rasta.
Yes.
Oh, so you're an empress. So you have a Rasta mama, Rasta in the place, a big up. Where your background from? Jamaica?
Of course, most definitely.
Yes, of course. What last you been there?
I was in Jamaica August.
August. Oh, that was my month, So tell me something more about Sunrise, What brought you here to Sunrise?
Well, some lovely people recruited me because they said that I was a good social worker. And since I've been here, it's been good, very, very good. I like everybody here.
And then bring that good energy.
Yeah.
I don't need a
even
negativity,
though I wasn't
yeah,
at the party on Saturday, but
Hey, you wasn't here?
no.
No, so that means you need to wash your pots then for that. Because you wasn't here. How can you not be representing for Jamaica? Even though we win already, right?
Oh, you know so.
I know and said, but them say a Jamaica champion, so nice meeting you, man. Sabrina.
Sabrina made the what you make, Sabrina?
What do you make?
The bun.
The Easter bun.
Oh, you made the Easter bun. Well, I missed the bun ship, because them say no good to get bun.
Did you have some?
No, because I don't like getting bun.
You missed it.
Yes, I don't like getting bun. Them say bun hurts. Hello.
This is Vivian.
Vivian.
She works in the business
Sure.
office.
You drop from the chair beside Vivian.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Hey.
Finally, now I'm sitting on the same level as someone else in my chair, guys. Vivian, so what office is this we're in now?
We're in the business office.
The business office. So you're the business mama.
No, I'm the business mama assistant. My mama is right over there.
Okay, so you make sure that everything around according to it's supposed to, right?
Supposed to,
So
of course.
you see the money going in the account steadily?
Yes.
Oh, someone want to raise a pay, what you say? Can spike it up for
Wrong
me?
person, raise a pay, you go to payroll.
Oh, payroll. I won't even go check payroll, man, because I want to raise a pay, anything. So tell me something. What brought you here to Sunrise?
I was working at another facility. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. And I know Miss Charmaine. I contacted Miss Charmaine and she brought me on board.
But they lose out. They don't know that they lose out. If you never work out here, they lose out. Trust me, because here is the best. So far, they said this
So
is
far
the
it
best,
is.
right?
It is. It's awesome here. It's good working here. Everybody get along.
So that means if it's so good, that means for anyone who wants to get a job here, it's going to be awkward, because guess what? No one's going to get fired from here because everyone wants to stay.
Exactly. And there are people here that's been working here for years.
For years, of course. I hear 20 years, 20
Yes.
other years, 30 other years, like they don't want to leave.
Exactly.
And how many years you gone now?
2.
2. Many more to come, right?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. So years where you're going to retire. Right?
Yeah.
For sure.
For sure.
See, boy. So, no space no there for you. Sorry, that's true. But
So life goes.
I saw life go. Alright, take care, yeah?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, all right.
This the big money woman. This is Marissa.
There ain't no big money woman.
And the payroll is?
This is payroll.
Okay. Yo, so
I let out the big money.
so,
You know?
this is where I want to be a long time, you know, because if you're not friend with her, trust me, your money not gonna rise. You know?
True, so
You
true.
have to keep her nice, you know. This is where the money thing goes. So if you not talk to her and deal with her nice, but if you pay, I get delay, you know. Right? Right.
No, I try not to.
You
I try not to. Yeah.
But don't piss her off.
No, right.
Right?
Right.
Yes, because
Right.
so when you come up against her name, she's gonna show up. You can't wait.
Or it'll be messed up.
I'll be messed up. Peace now, peace later, and peace tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly.
So tell me, sir, how long have you been working here?
Oh, I've been here almost 17 years.
17 years. Wow.
Yeah.
So you've been around the changes.
Yes, yes.
Wow,
yes,
wow.
yes.
So you still went and
Big change, but for the best, you know? For the best, yes.
How many owners you go through?
So far, this is the second owner
The second
since
owner.
I've been here, yes.
Okay, and then said this one is the game changer,
Yes,
right?
it is. It is.
So it's where it puts
great
about you.
owners, you know, nice administrator, and just keep it going.
Why, you see?
Friendly staff.
Of course. You see, nobody wants to leave. 17 years and still going.
Yes.
So trust
yes.
me, it's very hard to get in. You have to have that good energy, good
Yeah.
personality. You know,
Personality,
you have to
yes,
work hard to
yes.
get here because everyone works hard.
Yes.
Everyone dedicated, you know, they keep that energy going.
So true.
Right?
So true.
So listen, we have different nations here, race work here. What's your background?
I'm Jamaican.
Oh, call her a yardie, call her a yardie. She love Benz and Beamer and Audi.
Yeah.
Where in Jamaica you're from?
I'm from Kingston.
Kingston. Oh, you're not far away from me. Cause once
No,
you that
I'm
Kingston, Jamaica not far. You know.
CUR Drive.
CUR Drive.
Yeah.
See there, she up the road. You know, close by.
Yes.
But she wasn't on the trip. So hopefully, guys, are we gonna see
Next
them
year.
Boy,
Next year.
you
Next
see,
year, hopefully.
everybody in the interviews, they're gonna be there. So churches told them, pack up. Right?
Yeah,
So take care, yeah? Oh, my legs, them.
Yeah, get old.
No, we don't get old, we mature.
Yes,
Right? Them
yes,
say
yes,
clothes,
yes.
them say clothes get old, furniture old, car get old, but we stay mature.
I guess.
Just,
Yeah.
I like your ear, your mix.
Thank you, yes.
Who you mix with?
Cooling.
Coolie. Coolie.
Yes.
See the coolie.
Oh,
Mix race, baby.
Yes.
Alright, then take care.
Take care.
So we're rolling. Alright then, later on. Okay. You know, so listen, I'm gonna miss you guys. Trust me. Today.
Today you live in Jamaica?
Yeah. But I'll be back. Of course. You know, I'll be back. Definitely.
Pleasure meeting you.
Oh, it's a pleasure meeting you, man. All of you, you know, I love the energy. So I'm taking back all this energy back to Jamaica. You know, so trust me, I'll be laughing forever. You know, because it's good energy.
Good time you're with us.
Of course. Always. It's gonna always be on YouTube.
Okay.
10 years later, you're still watching it.
Saturdays.
Later on.
Later on.
So you're gonna see everybody. We party
I'm
hard.
gonna see everybody dancing.
Of course. Yes, it happened. But I guess you won't hear those songs because, you know, YouTube policy, copyright.
Yes.
You know?
Then you just
So you just see the people dancing, but you wouldn't hear how you sing the song.
Some of the song, no, not all the song, but like It and Run for sure.
You just hear like parts of it.
Yeah. Trouble. You know?
You have to go through all of that.
Yes. Alright then, Sabrina. Rasta. Alright then, take care.
This is Steven, our central supply
Hi.
person. He helps get all our supplies.
Big up. Yeah.
This is Kino. Tell him
Oh,
how
yeah.
long you've been here.
Oh, it's now been a year now.
Yeah.
You know, how you doing?
So wait there, have you subscribed to Kino Life in Jamaica yet?
Oh, not yet, though.
Oh.
But I've been hearing you around. I even saw you a little bit last week. How's it
See,
going, everybody?
I already say you need to subscribe, man. I know that you will make sure you get all appliance, everything is ready and corporate set it, right?
Oh, yeah.
What country you from? Representing?
I was born here.
You was born here?
My parents are from Peru.
Peru.
Yes.
Oh,
So I was representing on Saturday.
Are you representing?
Yeah.
Peru. You don't know the thing, but now you're Peru. You're Peru.
Japan.
So Peru. So you're half Jamaican, half Peruvian, right?
Right.
So you're new Peru.
Japan.
Pick up yourself.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. She feel like running.
Oh, my belly.
Oh, I'm
So you know I'm always hungry. I'm
Yeah, but that's
food.
all you know me for. We have
No, I know you for love as well.
Oh, here's Jackie, our dietary manager.
She having lunch.
Oh, she having lunch.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
You having lunch?
Yes, I'm having lunch.
Where's the lunch? Share the lunch. Huh? Share the lunch. Huh?
That kind of items too.
Tell her what am I?
He's an item man.
Oh,
welcome.
it's so quick you right my arm. Yes.
But you're kind of late.
Just because you don't want to
Already.
share.
I started already. I'm sorry. Next time.
It
All
doesn't matter. You still share.
Oh.
Alright then guys, Kate is shy, but still say hello.
Hi, how are you?
Tell me something about Sunrise.
Sunrise is a good facility to work, so come join us.
How long you
Alright.
been working here?
Almost, 2 years now.
2 years.
Yes, I love it here.
Wow, you love
Yes.
it. So you're not leaving, right?
No,
No.
I'm staying.
Forever?
Yes.
See, look how you done well.
Alright.
Right? Easy. Look how easy.
Yeah,
So,
sorry.
yes, that's it, dude. I get her so easy. Right then, take care, yeah?
Alright.
Woo. We have Patty. Okay.
So, see if they have like fish or something like
So
that.
guys, we have the favorite Pat here. Trust me, Pat. Everyone been asking about Pat.
I'm here out of work.
So they want a pot cover right now. So Pat, tell me something. How long have you been working here at Sunrise?
I've been working here at Sunrise about 18 years. I love it.
18 years.
I'm a staple here. Never going anywhere.
Boy, that staple, the well staple, she ain't leaving at all. Where she ain't leaving, Mommy Charmaine,
Even though I've gone to the hospital, I've done a couple of years at the hospital, and I chose to come back here. This is home to me.
So you want top nurse then, man?
Yeah, well, if you want to call it
Of
that, but I do
course.
what I do very well.
So they never know the pleasure of having you down there in church. So we have this top nurse hospital, and she decides, say, here's where she want to be. So I guess the love here is more stronger than
It
in the
is.
hospital.
Oh, absolutely.
That's
In the
what we-
hospital, you just go to work, do what you gotta do, and leave. Nobody remembers you. But this facility is very family oriented, as you've seen Saturday. It's a diverse
Of course.
community,
Yes.
and we do what we do best. We do everything together, and we do it well.
And that's what we need, you know. You see, if the love not there somewhere, you're not gonna stay.
No, you can't.
And look at the hospital, they lose something so good. You know,
I think
but
so.
but it's a big plus for Sunrise, right? She bring that good energy. You know, well guys,
One team, dream
dream team.
There you go. It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime. Wow, guys.
Alright,
You know it's lunchtime.
later.
Alright then. So guys, we're gonna catch up. So, where you going? You got to your office? Let me see. Yeah, we need the laptop for my
You need
car.
it?
Yeah, let me go.
Alright, so you know what? Let me bring this camera around. You want me to? Yeah.
You already speak already?
Yeah, we did.
We did.
Alright, since I'm close to that,
Can you open my door, please?
Yeah.
Because I gave what's her name the key, but she didn't bring it.
no problem.
Alright guys, it was so lovely meeting everyone, you know.
Water.
Water, please, yes. You know, so I'm gonna have lunch, you know, because lunchtime, you know, for everyone, and then I will be get back, you know the thing goes. Tell me you're loving these ladies working here. The spirit, the energy is high. You know, if you reach this far and you haven't put the thumbs up, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Okay, let me call
How you
Francis.
doing, man?
Yeah. Wow.
I'm exhausted. I
Yes.
can't.
Okay. No,
Thank you
we'll
so
get
much.
some. We'll get some help right now.
Yeah,
Wow. Some chairs, wheelchairs?
Yes.
Wow.
Cheers and some more to come. As
Yeah.
long as I can get help to unload them when I carry them come. I'm
Yeah.
clearing out my garage.
Okay.
And it come in here. Everything come in here. This is number one for me.
All right. Thank you so
That
much.
is our- Listen, can you meet me over on B Wing? Okay, we have some
Yes.
some chairs.
Guys,
That is
so
donated.
Thank you so much for donating those chairs, man.
Okay, then,
It's
thanks.
a blessing.
Thank you very much for the good work you are doing in Jamaica, man. And continue to do so, and I will support you all the way. And this is from Ed Transportation.
Yes. Thank you so much from Ed Transportation.
Bless you, man.
Yes.
The church.
That is great.
Very important.
Yes. So those chairs for Trenchtown?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Yes.
What a
Yes.
chairs.
That's Francisco. Yes.
General.
I don't have any
Oh, go on. Thing good.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Can't complain, you know?
Because
last day, so
yeah.
come from make a link up.
You know, thing goes already.
And father of the year, pick up yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I watch you about with the little girl that we feel good, you know?
Yeah.
And make a one link to it.
Yeah, man, father for the year, look at yourself. You know the thing go?
Put him at the one.
Great father.
Okay, I raise girls by yourself. You know? Yeah, man, because you know they need their mother.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Real, man.
Yeah, man, I still have to give him the name, you know, father for the year.
Are you giving him?
Yeah, man.
Oh, see that?
Father for the year, man, you know?
Yeah, man. Good luck, man.
So this man just donated some wheelchairs. Yeah. Which cars of Trenchtown, you know? So guys, so they have some whole heap of wheelchair as well to, you know, to come down in the creek. Hello! I'm not leaving now. I'll be back. Alright? Hello. I see the wheelchairs then. Wow. Beautiful weather, guys. Weather is beautiful. So beautiful. I know it. Big up, man. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, so this is where the wheelchairs are in this vehicle. So the vehicles them in America is so big, huge. Colpulch, you see a small car. Huge. Got the door. Wheelchair, guys.
Help yourself, young man. Body getting old. Body getting old, Francis.
Yeah.
Body getting old, huh? Getting old. Go on. Yeah. Body getting old, young man.
Guys, we come in wheelchairs, we get in. So all of this have to go ship to Jamaica. You know? Jamaica. Well, thank you so much, man. You know?
More to come, man.
More to come. Alright then.
It's just the start.
Yes. It's only the start.
It's the start. I'll be this week I work for you.
Yeah. Appreciate it so much.
Yeah,
Appreciate it so much, guys. You see? This collaboration that we're doing with the Sunrise, let's bring more, you know, awareness to other people to play that loving part, you know, to help out what's going on, you know, greatness. And we have a room already in here for the trench town as well. You know, trench town of them. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Trench town of them room where them go store them stuff.
When everything ready to ship out.
Yeah.
That's cool, man.
Even everything.
Well,
Yeah.
You good? Yeah. You good? You good? I'm good. Alright, come. Here's what I had to say to you. You know, I take the car out of man.
Hold it.
You see the car, take the car, that's so steep. I have to take the car now wide like a trailer, man. You know the drive trailer. Maybe those can hold thing up.
On top.
Yeah, come with you, yeah. Hey, Sean, man. I will come back tomorrow.
Alright, thank you so much, yeah?
Take care, keep me again.
Yeah, man,
All
thank
the
you.
best.
Alright, thank you so much. Yes. Blessings and blessings. Oh, so many. A lot of blessings, right?
So they can check it and make sure everything is alright
Yeah.
before you ship.
I am getting some food.
Hello, hello. Yes, my general.
Yeah. Alright, so like I said, big up to Kino, check in Florida.
Yeah.
And you can go ahead and check out my channel.
Yeah.
It's Bella at Mix Vlogs.
Yeah.
So it's BELLA, email sign at MIXVLOGS.
Yes.
Okay?
Right.
That is it. Yeah, man.
Big up yourself and thanks for the support of Father for the Year.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Father for the
Just tell
Year.
him, say when we drop in that place, we're going to link up.
Alright then.
Whoa, chef, everybody. Me see one lady there named Rosa too, you know.
Rose.
Rose. So,
Yeah.
and when I interviewed her, I said, I see Rosa, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Same Rose,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Alright
Let's have
then.
the boss.
Alright, big up,
I'll
yeah?
touch base here.
Alright, cool.
Okay, mommy.
Okay, bye.
Alright, thank you. Bye. I don't know why me not get no hug, you know.
Why me not
Okay. Because I show her, adapt me.
No, we gave all the hugs to Kino. They're having one
Lunch.
of our vendors, yes, gave them lunch today, you know, for all the hard work.
Okay.
So I just want to come in. Okay. It's all right. So team, this is Tina saying bye to you guys.
Bye. Team, so.
Courtesy of from one of our vendors for all the hard work that you guys did on Saturday. So today we're just having some lunch and to regroup and get back to the hard work. And today is Annalisa's birthday.
Yeah, no. Hey. I remember Sunrise have a slogan, you know, just like we say, dream team, one team. So when I say Sunrise, you used to say team. So when I say team, you say Sunrise, right?
Okay.
So I say Sunrise, team,
Sunrise,
dream team,
one team,
one team,
dream team.
Jeez, that sounds good. That's what we could say it again, right? So we say team,
Sunrise,
come again, team,
Sunrise,
Sunrise,
team,
dream team,
one team,
one team,
dream team.
Hey, wow. I love that energy.
Thank you guys for all the hard work. We did an outstanding job, and as always, there's no I in team, and that is why we do what we do best as a team. We did an outstanding job on Saturday, and next year we will meet Keena here again to do it all over again. Thank
And
you
again.
guys.
Blessed love to all, man. Blessed love.
Okay.
Well, guys, I'm gonna say Well, look at that. Take up my rag, look at that, guys. So much beautiful, wonderful people here, trust me. It moves my heart to feel the energy of everyone. And I just stumbled upon another wonderful someone that works here as well. Let her introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Jessica Diaz. I am at Sunrise Health and Rehab Marketing Director.
Wow. So wait there, she's a marketing director. That's who I need beside me, to help me market, because trust me, my mom is charming, is doing a wonderful job by marketing, promoting Kino Life in Jamaica to everyone. So I got another next one right here. Can help me promote Kino Life in Jamaica?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. So tell me something, how long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
So how you find it?
I was recruited. I worked for another company and the owners recruited me.
That means you must be someone special for them to recruit you.
I've been doing this for over 17 years.
Yes, 17 years. And you have another 17 more to go plus?
Correct.
Okay. So the energy that I see here, I see everyone got the same vibrant energy. How comes that happen?
I think the support within the team, when it comes from the owners, from the administration down, it's just all the support that we got.
Yes,
to make things happen.
Let's step this side. So I guess them always say teamwork make the dream work, right?
Sure does.
That there's no I in team, right?
No I in team.
Okay, I'm telling you. So I'm looking to see if you come to Jamaica very soon.
Hey, I've been to Jamaica and I love it, and I would love to go to Jamaica with the team again next time.
Of course, because everyone that I interviewed so far said yes.
Awesome.
So you're like what, the 20 person?
Probably.
So that's like
there's many of us. So
well, there's so much already, so that means the plate is going to be full, full. And you're not leaving Sunrise team anytime soon, right?
No, I don't plan. I'm very blessed working here. They provide us with everything that we need, from resources to support, whether it's work support, life support, and family support.
So you guys are all like family.
We are like family. We fight like family, and we come together like family.
Stick together like family. So I guess this is where you're going to stay for retirement.
Yeah, if God permits it.
Of course, but what you think? What would you want?
I would love to have my own business, but yes, I'm not going anywhere.
See? If she ain't going nowhere, that means there ain't going to be no vacancy for you.
No vacancies for my position.
No one wants to go. I wonder why. No one wants to go. It was nice meeting you.
Pleasure meeting you, sweetheart.
Wow. Guys,
How long you guys out here?
Well, I'm leaving today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so at least you catch me before I leave.
Okay, I have I went down to Jamaica 2 years ago.
2 years ago?
Stayed in Ocho Rios.
Okay.
Nice. Went into oh my God, where did I go?
You went to the resort side?
I went to Rick's Cafe.
Okay, that's Negril, right?
Negril. Went down to Negril, took the boat cruise, did a lot of stuff. It was amazing. The people were amazing.
Cheers.
Amazing.
What's going to be more amazing? When you come to Trenchtown.
Trenchtown.
Yes, I love it. Drop it like it hot. You're going to see them drop it like it hot with Rasta Jackson. All right, then take care. Yeah? Yes. Rose.
My God, I thought you were supposed to be leaving this morning.
No, it's in the evening.
Because I have something for Leila.
And you left it?
I'm going to go get it because it's not far from here.
Oh, Rosa.
Yes, I'm going to go get it.
And we have what's his name? Rosa Rose. Who's also Arthur and Eddie's son. And the Mario sing a song say Rosa, 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 Rose. Hey, Rose is a girl who lives next door and she's really, really fine. And say Rose, say she want peel my dumpling. Rose, she want my pan. Rose, hey. And we got Rose here, who was dropping it like it hot with Rasta Jackson. Trust me. She surprised me, You all surprised me. I see you dropping it like it.
I sure did. Oh, he was at the party? Oh,
no,
yeah.
I'm talking about in Jamaica.
In Jamaica. You went to Jamaica? Oh, yes. We had a blast. When I tell you we had a blast, we work hard, but we play hard.
Exactly. And when they was playing, whoa, you want to see that.
We had a good time. I will go back again in a minute.
Anytime. Yes. So finally we get a chance, to meet you guys, and your on your platform, your base, your home, your land, we can get to know something that we never know about, you know. You can tell us a little bit about Sunrise, you know.
Sunrise is the place to be. I don't think there's any other place than Sunrise. I know. We had a great team here. And it's like a dream team. You understand?
The dream
and
team
there is
of
no
the Sunrise.
I in team. It's we. There is no I.
Yes.
It's all of us
All
together.
of us.
That's
the unity that I like.
Exactly.
You see why we connect? You know, the teams
The
them
team,
connect.
yes.
The dream team, the Sunrise team make us one team. You know, so that's why we connect. You know, so Sean, how many years have you been working here?
Oh my God! Since 2001, I studied here. I know, right? Don't tell anybody. I studied here as a CNA.
Okay.
Because I was just passing by with my daughter. I was like, okay, let me take a look at that place. And then since then, from 2001, I became an LPN and I had my RN license. Now I'm a supervisor for the place. And the sky is the limit.
It's the limit.
With Fisherman, when she keep on like wanted me to do the supervising thing, I was like, no, this is not for me. This is too much. She was like, listen, I'm not bringing nobody else from outside. You're gonna do it, and that's for you. And then since then, and then I'm glad I accepted that job.
Of course. And from then till now, here we are today.
And the problem here, you can go to anybody. They will help you with whatever problem that you have. It's totally different from other places.
It's good. And I always notice there's different nations, you know, work here. You know, what's your background?
It's a melting pot.
And your background? Where you from?
I'm Haitian.
Asian.
100
Okay.
Haitian.
100%.
No fat, no cholesterol, like I always say to people.
No, but we're gonna change that. It's not. Listen,
no, I'm Jamaican.
Listen, we're gonna change that now. So it's not 100%, 50%.
Okay,
so she's Asian right now.
Jamaican.
Yeah, Jamaican.
It's a combination,
Asian.
right?
Yes, so half Jamaican, half Asian. So that change right now. You know, the collaboration that we're doing, we change. So we one, we're half and half.
And we'll see you next year in
Of
Trench
course,
Town.
for sure.
Master Jackson.
I would. Thank you so much for
nice
your time,
seeing
man.
you.
All right,
I'm gonna
then.
go home and get it for her.
All right then.
All right, let me let
I will be here.
All right.
I will try and last
have
myself.
a safe flight.
Yes, I will.
Okay.
Thank you so
All
much.
right.
Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, Mr. Gino! Let me get my heart. Let me get my God.
This energy. I cannot get enough of this energy.
You don't get enough?
Come here, you ain't going nowhere. Today you're here today. Today you're here. Come on, introduce yourself.
Oh, my name is Virgila Michelle. I am a receptionist at the Sunrise. And I've been working for the company for 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
I used to be a CNA on the floor. Then I moved up to a receptionist.
So how is it here at Sunrise?
Oh, wonderful. I can't complain. I
I
cannot complain. It's a nice place to work. It's like a family-wise.
That's what I get. The
It's a family. We all embrace each other, and the door always open for each other if we have something to know, or in case I'm on the front desk and I have something that I need to know, or I don't have it, or I don't know it. I'm always find somebody to help me out.
You're the energy one, man. You got that energy, man. You're related to Elephant Man, that Jamaican dancehall artist who run up and down on the stage. You know, when you got that Sunrise vibe energy, you know.
It is a pleasure for me to be working at the Sunrise.
Yeah, man. So today will be everything. You know, will be going on today. So.
Oh, you going home? I'm gonna miss you. You know that, right?
We'll see each other.
But I have to go to Jamaica too.
Of course, on the next trip, right?
Next trip, I'm gonna be down there.
All right, high five.
Pleasure to see you.
Pleasure, man.
I need you, Kino, come. What's her name? Have something for Layla.
Oh, Layla.
This is Natalie. Our wound care, one of our wound care works. You didn't get your feature.
Hello.
Just take her in the feature.
I'm shy.
You shy?
Yes.
Come on, unshy you. Whenever I'm shy, I'm try to unshy them guys. Look at this beautiful. Listen, sunrise is something else. Everyone is glowing like the sun.
Oh Lord, it's the camp, it's the light.
It's the light.
Yes.
Oh boy, I'm going to stay under this light. You know, so tell me, what's your name?
Natalie.
Natalie. You know,
Yes.
Natalie is here at Sunrise. Tell me what you do here at Sunrise, Natalie.
Well, I'm a part of the wound care team. It's myself and Oscar. He's a director of wound care, and I'm here as his assistant also. But we do wound care for the whole building.
Okay, so you make sure everything is alright.
Yes.
It's well dressed. It's well
Everything
clean.
is dressed. All the wounds come from like how terrible they are to how healed they are.
Oh, here they are. Okay, so how long are you working at Sunrise?
You know what? I shouldn't say that. It's only been a few months, like pretty much all of us. Yeah. So, but it's been good because everyone
Of course.
who's been here very positive. We love everybody.
Of course, because listen, the energy here make it feel like you've been here forever, right? Right.
I'm so shy.
Alright, let me unshy her again. Because guys, so whenever them shy, I try to unshy them, I go comfort them, right? Keep them close.
Yes.
Right, so I don't think you're leaving there anytime soon, right?
Well, no time soon. Hopefully
No time
not.
soon.
Yeah, because this is a great place. Everyone who's here, they're great. They're awesome. You already met the DON, and you also met the administrator.
Well, there's so much I met, and everyone is awesome. You know,
Right,
I just love
right,
the energy
right.
of each and every one that's here.
Yes.
It makes me don't want to leave. So it's a good thing my flight is like later on down in the evening.
Exactly.
So I can
But they
spend
wanted me to
some-
meet you before you left because they did tell me this was your last day today.
Yes.
So, you know, I have watched your videos also, and you're an amazing person, and I love all the positivity that you do.
I thank you so much. But you missed the trip in Jamaica. What happened there?
I know I was supposed to, but I just got here.
Oh,
I was
what-
supposed to go. I already told her. I said if I win, you guys will probably have to save me in the morning.
Why?
Because I'll be partying.
Oh, well, at least Pat will have company.
Yes.
You know, trust
Yes.
me, because Pat will be partying right through. Right, Pat? Pat know the thing there.
See, I don't know that side of Pat yet.
Oh.
Yes.
I speak too much, right, Pat? Shh, sorry. But you want to see that, Pat? It's a lovely side.
Nice,
You know, so it's nice
nice.
meeting you.
Same
you know,
here,
see?
same here.
If you notice, I unshy you. You
Yes.
know, you're not shy anymore.
Right.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That barrier is break.
Yes, it
You're
is.
not shy anymore.
I'm still
right?
shy. Still
You're
shy
not.
people.
Natalie, you're not shy anymore. Tell him where you're from again. Tell him where you're from. Okay?
Spanish Town.
Spanish Town. Them Spanish clown, you know.
You're so funny.
Hey, that's what they do there. Spanish clown in Spanish Town, you know. So, double culture, you see, she look like an Indian, you know, slash.
It's a very good weave, okay?
It's a good one, trust me. You know, it's a lot of money. $1,000 for the pack alone.
You are too funny. Now don't promote the hair company.
Oh yeah, because we're not getting a free here.
Exactly.
We're not getting a free here, so we're not promoting them. But you know, so big up in the sense of Spanish Town. You see, a 1 town, Spanish Town, the work I do in Trench Town, so the same town.
Exactly.
You know, it still connects, right? So when last you went back?
July.
Okay. Close. So you come back next year or whenever, even sooner.
Every summer.
Every summer. Alright, so dream team
The best team.
and the Sunrise team.
What is the rest?
One team.
One team.
Alright guys, so we're here. And if you notice, we're watching what's going on. All that keen up on TV. No, Natalie. Alright. It is that time. It's that time. JetBlue. Oh, God.
I don't know me, but yeah. Oh God, brethren.
Good man.
Yeah,
Big up
man.
yourself.
Respect,
Big up,
man.
big up, big up.
Respect, Kino. Live, Florida.
Yeah. Alright, man. Yeah. Catch me the right time.
All persons must maintain control of their personal property, including carry of baggage.
Yes.
Alright, big up, yeah.
Good work.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Carrying firearms through a TSA screening checkpoint of an airport is prohibited by federal law and regulations. Check all
Oh, can't check it on. Can't carry the TV.
Let me just double.
Well, when I was coming from New York, I see people bring TV.
I thought you were joking. But I've seen people.
Yeah, I've seen people carry on in New York.
Please help us help you. If you see something, say something. Report suspicious activity to the nearest law enforcement officer, TSA officer, or airline representative.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, only to, I don't know why they have that.
They used to.
Did they?
Yeah. Because last year, because they done it in New York.
Oh yeah, you can even send it anywhere in the U.S. You can send boxes.
No, I'm talking from New York to Jamaica. Yeah.
We don't do it here. I do that.
Okay.
I just double checked because just in case.
Yeah.
Just have carrots. They just like carrots.
Yeah.
Do you want to check in for them anyway for your flight?
Yes, of course. You've got to check in.
Yeah. So is this good with my bag, right?
Yeah. Well, check for them.
Okay, sir. Do you have your passport?
Guys, it's too bad they say cannot check the TV on, you know, because I know they used to.
Your boarding pass on your passport.
Yeah. Hello.
Okay, go put it. It's still there? Yeah, okay. Okay, Tina, it was just such a pleasure. And it was just too short, but we covered so many things.
Yeah.
We made so many relationships.
Yeah.
And we will see you soon.
Definitely.
And thanks, keep the work going. We're going to keep the work here going.
Yeah.
And remember, relationships are priceless.
Of course.
Okay?
Now, thank you so much, you know.
Yes.
I felt the love, you know, the love is too much to explain, but trust me, that connection, you know, is great. That bond that we have right now is just greater things to come, you know. It's nothing but love and love alone, you know. And I thank you so much for the hospitality from you and your team. Yes.
Dream team.
One team, you know.
One team.
The Sunrise team is just one team.
Yes.
It's always sad when you leave, you know.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
I know. Give our love and regards to Dee and the rest of the Dream Team in Trenchtown Rock.
Of course.
And we will be back.
Of course, Big Fish and Sprite.
Yes, we will be back.
Guys, so it's so sad we couldn't check the TV on.
Oh my gosh.
You know, because we thought we could have checked the TV on like what I saw them did that in New York, but they're not accepting that anymore. So they're going to try and ship it, you know.
Yes,
so,
we'll ship it. The Kiwanians will help us to get it down.
Yes.
So we are hoping it will be down for Christmas.
Okay, and that would be good, you know?
Yes.
Because we was planning to give that TV to the Wow Chef.
Yes, Wow Chef.
You know?
This was one of your gifts for your new apartment. But you'll still get it.
Yeah, of course.
Okay?
So Wow Chef, you don't have to worry. We don't have to buy a TV for you. Your TV is here and it will definitely reach in Jamaica. Right, Wow? Yeah, man. So thank you so much. So Pat gone outside to put the TV back in the car. So
we're going to make sure we're putting him right to the security check.
Of course.
And make sure that he's home safely.
Here is Pat coming.
Yes.
Here is Pat
And
coming.
to all of Kino's subscribers and new subscribers,
Yeah, come on here, Pat.
subscribe, hit that like button.
Yes.
That's all you can
And
do.
here is
It's
Pat.
priceless. And here is Pat.
Pat,
Thank you so much for coming.
I'm telling you, man. I'm telling
We
you.
will see you soon. Okay?
Soon and very soon. Yeah.
Safe travel.
Yes, thank you
Yes.
so much. Soon
Yes,
and very
okay.
soon. So, guys,
All right.
blessed love.
All the best.
All
Love
right,
you,
then.
Kino.
All right. Bye.
Safe flight.
It's F10.
Oh, the guy's gonna come see you.
Okay.
Please help us help you. If you see something, say something. Report suspicious activity to the nearest law enforcement officer, TSA officer, or airline representative.
Alright, guys, so I just checked in. So waiting on my time to go on board. Yeah, so it was a wonderful experience, and I want to say big up to all the Sunrise team and each and every one to my subscribers, that came out as well too. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful experience. Trust me, the saddest part is always when I'm leaving. I was leaving, but I will be return really quick and fast. Return quick and fast. Return like the Jedi very soon. Uno. No, you know him. I call us brethren, so I call us brethren, so you know. But I mean, still up.
What? Sleep, me asleep.
You come now. Yeah, what? She come in for the trip, man. She not let me dog.
Where I fly?
Big up Tina. So I go good door.
Me there, man.
Glad for see the man again, man. Glad for see the man. Respect my general. Respect.
Cool.
I've been there since night too. You know I feel night them night.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them there, man.
Alright, then see how it
Bless up yourself, general. Yeah, Empress. Brother, big up, you know.
Yeah.
The machine here work?
Yeah, man.
Step over the machine.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.